The year is 2025. Aliens arrive on Earth. They have spaceships, big spaceships. Everyone panics, except the cats. They knew this day would come. Turns out the aliens aren't here for us. They want cats, all the cats. Something about supreme beings and cosmic energy. Who knew? The cats, apparently. The aliens, small and green, looked like frogs. They wore tiny hats, very stylish. They bowed to the cats. The cats yawned. Typical. The aliens, it seems, lost something important. They call it the Great Cosmic Yarn Ball, don't ask. Apparently cats know where it is, or something. The aliens bring out their gadgets. They try to talk to the cats. The cats just stare and purr. The aliens are mesmerized. They had never seen such indifference. One brave alien approaches a tabby cat. The cat sniffs the alien's hat. The alien faints. The cat walks away, bored. This is going to be interesting. We humans, meanwhile, are utterly confused. Our world leaders try to negotiate. The aliens just point at the cats. They know, they say. Right. Dogs, naturally, are deeply offended. They bark and howl at the spaceships. The aliens ignore them. The cats, of course, find this highly amusing. One particularly fluffy Persian cat, perched atop a stack of treaties, gives a disdainful flick of its tail. The message is clear. Humans, you had your chance. And then it happens. The spaceships open up, not with weapons, but with catnip? Giant cosmic catnip plants. The cats can't resist. Cats of all shapes and sizes, from sleek Siamese to fluffy Persians, stream towards the ships. Some even leap into the aliens' arms. Traitors, the aliens are overjoyed. They shower the cats with affection and tuna? Apparently these aliens are well versed in feline desires. Who knew? Section 5. Galactic litter box, luxury accommodations for feline overlords. Inside the spaceships, it's a cat's paradise. Scratching posts made of asteroids, endless balls of yarn, and of course all the tuna a cat could want. The cats naturally take to this like, well, cats to a scratching post. They lounge, they play, they nap in zero gravity. It's the life they were born to lead. The aliens, meanwhile, are ecstatic. They treat the cats like royalty, which, let's face it, they are. The fate of the universe rests on these furry overlords. No pressure. Section 6. Take us to your literary deciphering the cosmic meow. Now, the aliens want to find this cosmic yarn ball. They just need to figure out what the cats are saying. Easier said than done. They bring in their best meow translators. They study the cat's every twitch and purr. But the cats are cryptic. They work in mysterious ways. Finally, a breakthrough. A calico cat jumps onto a console and bats at a holographic image of a galaxy. Could this be it? The aliens hold their breath. Section 7. The Great Space Chase. Dogs left barking on Earth. The chase is on. The spaceships, guided by the cats, zoom through the cosmos. They dodge black holes, outrun asteroid fields, all while the cats nap. Back on Earth, the dogs are going crazy. They watch the spaceships disappear into the stars, their barks echoing in the night. No fair. The aliens, meanwhile, are learning a valuable lesson: patience, and the importance of a good laser pointer. Apparently, cats love those in space, too. Section 8. Kitty karma, world domination, one nap at a time. The cats, of course, find the cosmic yarn ball. It was in the Andromeda Galaxy, next to a giant laser pointer. Typical. With the yarn ball recovered, balance is restored to the universe. The aliens are grateful. They shower the cats with gifts and head back to their planet. The cats, meanwhile, are nonplussed. They return to Earth, yawn, and curl up for a nap. Another day, another cosmic crisis averted. All in a day's work for a cat. Section 9 Epilogue. One small step for cat, one giant leap for catkind. Life on Earth returns to normal. Mostly. The cats, however, are forever changed. They've seen the cosmos, tasted space tuna, and saved the universe. No big deal. They say nothing of their adventures. They just purr knowingly, their eyes twinkling with the secrets of the universe. And occasionally, they look up at the stars, a longing for space tuna in their eyes. The end.